More than a month after the trial began, the finale for each side in the involuntary manslaughter case of Michael Jackson's doctor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the evidence in this case is overwhelming. The evidence in this case is abundantly clear that Conrad Murray acted with criminal negligence, that Conrad Murray caused the death of Michael Jackson.
Prosecutor David Walgren told jurors that Dr. Conrad Murray injected, amongst other drugs, an anesthetic called propofol into the 50-year-old singer, a drug only supposed to be used at a hospital, which authorities say killed Jackson in 2009.
This is where propofol is used, not here, not in an upstairs bedroom.
Further, the prosecution argued Murray didn't act fast enough to save the singer's life once he knew he made a dreadful error, because no reasonable doctor would use propofol as a sleep aid.
There was no precedence for this.
In its closing arguments, the defense team stressed the facts involved looked almost like a malpractice trial.
This is not about money. It's about liberty. And for a crime to be proved,
Murray admitted to police he gave Jackson propofol.
Then what Dr. Murray gave Michael Jackson absolutely would not have harmed him without an unusual and intervening circumstance.
But lead attorney Ed Chernoff argued that the singer was responsible for his own death.
They want you to convict Dr. Murray for the actions of Michael Jackson.
Chernoff assailed the credibility of prosecution witnesses, who he said came up with different stories months after Jackson's death. But in rebuttal, the prosecution swiped at those theories.
But there's a list of doctors that said no, because that would be dangerous and harmful. And there's one doctor that said yes. For $150,000 a month, yes.
The judge handed the case to the jury, and the clerk swore in a foreman. Murray has pleaded not guilty. Deliberations start Friday. If he's convicted, he faces up to 4 years in prison and the loss of his medical license. John Moan, Associated Press, Los Angeles.